Good afternoon, guys. I'm coming to you from San Diego, California. I am at Sunset Cliffs. It's a very easy place to find, very cool. Let's make some memories, as they say. This is the Sunset Cliffs that are here. You see how the waves crash up against the rocks? We actually climbed down from up there in the parking lot. This is a good place to come and watch the sunset, or any time of day, just to come down here and enjoy the ocean, enjoy the views. Views that can't be beat. So yeah, definitely if you're in San Diego, come check out Sunset Cliffs. It's very easy to find. Just punch it in the GPS on your phone or in your car. We found it with absolutely no problem. There's plenty of parking. This place is absolutely beautiful. This was our little peaceful visit here to the Sunset Cliffs in the San Diego area of California. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Hope you enjoyed the peaceful sounds of the ocean waves crashing into the shore. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for watching. If not, hit that button down below. If you like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. You ever been out to the San Diego coastline? It is absolutely beautiful here. We'll reach out to each and every one of you that leaves a comment down below. Easy for me to say, as always. And we will see you soon. One last look at those views. All right, guys. Bye for now.